This lesson includes more discussion of functions along with the introduction of function notation. To begin with, let's review the definition of a function. A function is a relation in which each x-coordinate is matched with only one y-coordinate. So far, we have restricted our discussion of functions to x-coordinates and y-coordinates. It may be helpful to think more generally of x-coordinates as inputs and y-coordinates as outputs. We can then think of the domain as containing inputs and the range as containing outputs. In this next example of a function, we have a domain and range, but the function or rule that matches inputs in the domain with outputs in the range is missing. What is a rule that will match each of these inputs with its intended output? Well, it looks like adding 5 to each input will indeed match it with the output. If we take 3 plus 5, that gives us 8. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, and negative 1 plus 5 is equal to 4. This gives us the rule output equals input plus 5. In function notation, this rule would be output of input equals input plus 5. To represent any of the inputs in the domain, we often choose a variable, the most common being x, and we often use y to represent the output in the range that is matched with x. F is frequently used to name the function that matches outputs with inputs. Keep in mind that other function names such as g, h, and r may also be used. If f is the rule that takes an input x from the domain, adds 5, thus matching x with the output value y, we can use function notation to define this function. In function notation, f of x equals x plus 5. This is not f times x, a common mistake. It is f of x. Note that y in the range is equal to x plus 5, and that f of x is equal to x plus 5. We often say that y is equal to f of x. Try this on your own. Find a function f that matches the following input values with output values. Then write the function using function notation. We have an input value of 2 that is matched with an output value of 1/4, an input value of 3 that is matched with an output value of 1/9, and an input value of 4 that is matched with an output value of 1/16.